This is crazy. They trying to tow the truck?
No.
Oh.
Stop the mailbox.
Yo, this don't work as well though.
What you talking about?
The lighting's not as good as my phone.
Get the boat.
This is like some Hurricane Katrina type stuff. Nah, I'm gonna use my phone. This don't work.
What do you mean it don't work?
It don't look clear. Like my phone looks better than this.
Does this take video? This record sound?
Yeah, that records sound.
Shit.
Do you know if it's coming in the building there?
Where? Yeah, they flooded.
I live on the top floor. Yeah, we're gonna be next. Over here.
What's that? We gonna be next.
Over here is gonna be
Oh, you live over there?
Yeah, I live that building right the top, that apartment right up there. I got out when I could. Oh, you just ran out? I bailed. You didn't wait for the
rescue
the boat?
one?
I did the last time.
Oh,
the rescue boat that stopped in the middle of the water?
This is bad. And it ain't stopping until tonight.
Yeah, I know. The high tide's at 8 o'clock.
What does that mean? The water
could get worse. The Hackensack has a high tide, and the water level may start backing up even more.
What are they trying to do?
They're trying to connect us to the boat.
Hey, I gotta take the anchor off. Just do it. Oh my God. Look, relax. I've been doing this for 25 years.
Hey, do you know if the water is coming into the building over there?
Where? Yeah.
It is?
Huh?
What are they doing? The depth of it? The depth?
Nah, the boat. Pull the boat.